Welcome to the VirtualX MasterClass podcast, your gateway to academic excellence, powered by Dragon Alexa. I'm your host, a dedicated mathematics teacher for grades 10 to 12, and today I'm joined by an equally passionate guest teacher. Together, we're excited to introduce you to our Mathematics Grade 10 complete course, designed to unlock your full potential in mathematics. Let's embark on this journey to success. We begin with Module 1, Algebra. This module is the foundation of mathematics and introduces essential skills such as simplifying algebraic expressions, mastering exponents, and solving equations and inequalities. Algebra teaches us how to break down problems into manageable steps, a skill you'll use throughout your academic and professional journey.
Exactly. For example, understanding number patterns not only strengthens your logical reasoning, but also helps you spot trends and make predictions, which are invaluable in fields like data science and economics.
Now that we've laid the groundwork with algebra, let's explore how math connects to the real world through angles and distances. Module 2 focuses on trigonometry, where we introduce the magic of sine, cosine, and tangent. These ratios help us solve problems involving heights and distances. Think of calculating the height of a skyscraper or the distance across a lake.
And we go further, exploring special angles and real-world applications. Students often find this module exciting because it shows how math comes alive in engineering and architecture.
Speaking of real-world applications, let's move to the language of mathematics, functions and graphs. In Module 3, we dive into functions and graphs, exploring linear and quadratic relationships. You'll learn how to interpret these graphs and predict outcomes, skills that are essential for fields like physics and computer science.
Not to mention, we also cover trigonometric functions, bridging your understanding of angles and their graphical representation. This module empowers you to see patterns and relationships visually, making complex ideas more intuitive.
Once you understand functions, it's time to build upon your geometry knowledge. Module 4 takes us into the world of Euclidean geometry. We revisit fundamental concepts like lines, angles, and triangles, and dive deeper into properties of quadrilaterals and theorems like the midpoint theorem.
This module is all about logical reasoning and proofs. Geometry sharpens your ability to construct arguments, a skill that extends beyond math into everyday decision-making.
Now, let's shift our focus to understanding space and coordinates with analytical geometry. Module 5 introduces analytical geometry, where algebra meets geometry. You'll learn to calculate distances, gradients, and midpoints, and even write equations of lines.
Absolutely. It's about translating spatial problems into solvable equations. This skill is fundamental in fields like robotics and design.
From geometry, let's move to practical applications in finance and growth. Module 6 focuses on finance and growth. Learn how to calculate interest, both simple and compound, and explore growth and decay models used in economics and business.
This module prepares you to analyze financial decisions critically, ensuring you're ready for personal and professional financial challenges.
With financial tools in hand, we now analyze and represent data effectively. In Module 7, we explore statistics, covering data representation, central tendencies, and measures of spread. You'll organize data into graphs and calculate variance and standard deviation.
These skills are vital in today's data-driven world, helping you make informed decisions in fields like healthcare, marketing, and policymaking.
Let's conclude our exploration with the principles of probability. Module 8 brings us to probability, where we use Venn diagrams, tree diagrams, and fundamental counting principles to solve real-world problems.
It's all about managing uncertainty and making predictions, skills that are crucial in risk management and decision sciences.
And finally, let's prepare you for success in your exams. Module 9 is all about revising key concepts and preparing for exams. We'll focus on problem-solving practice, time management, and strategies for tackling complex questions.
This final module ensures you're confident and ready to excel, not just in exams, but in any challenge that comes your way.
Thank you for joining us on this journey through Mathematics Grade 10. If you're ready to take the next step toward academic excellence, sign up today at www.virtualx.tv. VirtualX MasterClass, your gateway to excellence in education, powered by Dragon Alexa. See you in the classroom.
We're excited to see you excel. Remember, this course isn't just about math. It's about unlocking your potential. Join us and let's achieve greatness together.